Solve the following equations and check your results. Here they told us to solve, which means we should find the value of whichever variable given, and also we should check our results. So the question 1 is 3x equal to 2x plus 18. Now in this equation, you observe we have x term here and also over here. So now we have x term in two places. So we should bring all the x terms on one side. For that, here we have plus 2x. We should remove plus 2x from this side. So to remove plus 2x, we should subtract 2x on both sides. Now 3x minus 2x is 1x equal to, and on this side this cancel out, you are left with plus 18 or just 18. 1x is nothing but x equal to 18 is our answer. Now to check, first let us put x equal to 18 in LHS, that is 3x. So in place of x we should put 18. So 3 into 18, that is 54. Now RHS is 2x plus 18. In place of x you put 18. So 2 into 18 plus 18. 2 into 18 36 plus 18 54. We got both 54, that is LHS equal to RHS. So our answer is correct. Next, question 2. Five t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. Now, in this equation, we have got t terms present in two places, that is here and also here. So now we should remove plus 3t from this side. For that, you subtract 3t on both sides. So now 5t minus 3t is 2t minus 3 equal to plus 3t minus 3t cancel out, you are left with minus 5. Now to get t, we should remove minus 3 from here. So to remove minus 3, you add 3 on both sides. Now minus 3 plus 3 cancel out, you are left with 2t equal to minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So now to get t, we should remove this 2. To remove 2, you divide by 2 on both sides. So this cancel out, here you get t and here you get minus 1. So this is our answer. Okay, now to check LHS. LHS is 5t minus 3. In place of t, now you write minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus 3. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8. Now RHS. 3t minus 5 equal to, now in place of t, you write minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 minus 5. Here we get minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 8. So we got these two equal, LHS equal to RHS. So our answer is correct. Question 3. 5x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x. Now, in this equation, we have got x terms present in two places, that is here and also here. So now we should remove plus 3x from this side. So to remove plus 3x, you subtract 3x on both sides. So here 5x minus 3x, we get 2x plus 9 as it is equal to plus 3x minus 3x cancel out, you get 5. Now to get x, you should remove plus 9. So to remove plus 9, you subtract 9 on both sides. So plus 9 minus 9 cancel out, you are left with 2x equal to 5 minus 9 minus 4. Now to get x, we should remove this 2. To remove this 2, you divide by 2 on both sides. So this cancel out, here you get x and here 2 1s, 2 2s. So we got x equal to minus 2. So now to check, you take LHS, that is 5x plus 9 equal to, in place of x, now you write minus 2. So 5 into minus 2 plus 9. So 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. Now RHS. RHS is 5 plus 3x equal to, in place of x, we should write minus 2. So 5 plus 3 into minus 2. So that is 5 plus into minus, minus 3 into 2, 6. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1. We got these two same, that is LHS equal to RHS. We got equal, so our answer is correct. Next, fourth one. 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. Now, in this, we have got z present here and also here. So now we should remove plus 2z from here. So to remove plus 2z, you subtract 2z on both sides. So now 4z minus 2z is 2z plus 3 equal to, plus 2z minus 2z cancel out, you are left with 6. Now we should remove plus 3. So to remove plus 3, you subtract 3 on both sides. So this cancel out, you are left with 2x equal to 6 minus 3, 3. Now to get x, we should remove this 2. So to remove this 2, you divide by 2 on both sides. So this cancel out, here x and here you get 3 by 2. So this is our answer. Now to check LHS is 4z plus 3, that is equal to, in place of z, you write 3 by 2. So 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3, that is 2 1s, 2 2s. So 2 into 3, 6 plus 3, that is 9. Now RHS, 6 plus 2z equal to, in place of z, we should put 3 by 2. So 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2. Here 2 2 cancel out, we are left with 6 plus 3, that is equal to 9. These two we got same. that is LHS equal to RHS. So that tells our answer is correct. Question 5. 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. Now, in this equation, x term is present here and also here. So, step 1, we should remove minus x from here. So, to remove minus 1x from here, you add plus 1x on both sides. So, you get 2x plus 1x is 3x minus 1 equal to minus 1x plus 1x cancel out, you are left with 14. Now, you should remove minus 1. To remove minus 1, you add 1 on both sides. So, here minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, you are left with 3x equal to 14 plus 1, 15. Now, to get x, we should remove 3. So, to remove 3, you divide by 3. Here you get x and here you get 3 1s, 3 5s. So, x equal to 5 is our answer. Now, to check, you take LHS, that is 2x minus 1. In place of x, you write 5. So, 2 into 5 minus 1. 2 into 5 is 10, minus 1 is 9. Now, RHS, 14 minus x. In place of x, we write 5. So, 14 minus 5, we get 9. These two are same. So, we got LHS equal to RHS. So, our answer is correct. Next, question 6. Eight x plus 4 equal to 3 times x minus 1 plus 7. Now, 8x plus 4 equal to, in this, we should open up the brackets in this way. 3 into x, 3x minus 3 into 1, 3 plus 7. So, 8x plus 4 equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4. Okay, so far. Next. Now, here we have x term and here also x term. X term we have in two places. We should bring all the x terms on one side. For that, we should remove plus 3x from here. So, to remove plus 3x, subtract 3x on both sides. So, now 8x minus 3x is 5x plus 4 equal to plus 3x minus 3x cancel out. You are left with 4. Now, you should remove plus 4. So, to remove plus 4, you subtract 4. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel out, you are left with 5x equal to 4 minus 4, 0. Now, to get x, we should remove this 5. So, to remove 5, you divide by 5. So, this cancel out, here x 0 by 5 is 0. This is our answer. Now, to check LHS is 8x plus 4. In place of x, now you write 0. So, 8 into 0 plus 4. That is 8 into 0 is 0 plus 4, that is 4. Now, RHS. RHS is 3 times x minus 1 plus 7 equal to, in place of x, now you write 0. So 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7, that is equal to 3 into 0 minus 1 is minus 1 plus 7. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7, that is 4. We got these two same, that is LHS equal to RHS. So the answer we got is correct. Question 7. X equal to 4 by 5 x plus 10. Now, to solve this equation, first we should remove the denominator, that is 5 here. To remove this denominator 5, we should multiply by 5 on both sides. So here we get 5x equal to, here this cancel out. You are left with 4 times x plus 10. Now 5x equal to, you should open up the brackets. You get 4x plus 4 into 10, 40. Now we have x here and also here. We should bring both the x terms on one side. For that, we should remove plus 4x from this side. So to remove plus 4x, you subtract 4x on both sides. Now 5x minus 4x, 1x, that is x, equal to plus 4x minus 4x cancel out, you are left with 40. This is our answer. Now to check, take LHS. LHS is x. In place of x you write 40, that's it. Now RHS. RHS is 4 by 5 of x plus 10. In place of x, now you write 40. So 4 by 5 of 40 plus 10. That is 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10 is 50. So 5 ones, 5 tens. 4 into 10, 40. So we got these two same. That is LHS equal to RHS. So that confirms our answer is correct. Next. Now question 8. 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Now, to solve this equation, first we should remove the denominators, and the denominators present are 3 and 15. To remove these denominators, we should take LCM of them. So the LCM of 3 and 15. So first number 3, take 3, 3 ones 3. Other number 15, when do we get 15 in 3 table? 3 5s 15. Now we got 1 here, focus on to the next number 5. 5 is a prime number, so 5 ones 5. We got 1 in both the places, so our LCM is 3 into 5, 15. Okay. To remove the denominators, we have taken the LCM. Now, to each term, you should multiply with the LCM. What I mean is, we got LCM to be 15. So, in each term, you should multiply by 15. Clear? Each term, multiply by 15. Next. Now here 3 ones, 3 5s. 2 into 5, 10x. Plus 1 into 15, 15. Equal to, here this 15 cancel out, you are left with 7x. Plus 3 into 15, 45. Clear? So in this equation we don't have any more denominators, we have removed the denominators. Now we have x term here and here. All the x terms should be on one side. For that I should remove plus 7x from this side. So to remove plus 7x, you subtract 7x on both sides. So 10x minus 7x, you get 3x plus 15 equal to plus 7x minus 7x cancel out, you are left with 45. Now first we should remove plus 15 from this side. So to remove plus 15, you subtract 15 on both sides. So this cancel out, you are left with 3x equal to 45 minus 15, 30. Now to get x, we should remove 3. So to remove 3, you divide by 3 on both sides. So this cancel out, here x equal to here 3 ones, 3 tens. So x equal to 10 is our answer. Now to check LHS is 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to, in place of x we should write 10. So it is 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1, that is equal to 2 into 10 is 20 by 3 plus 1. Now here if we do, the LCM is 3. So 20 as it is plus 1 should become 3 means into 3 into 3. So 1 into 3, 3. So we get 23 by 3. Now RHS. 7x by 15 plus 3 equal to, now in place of x we should write 10. So 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3, that is equal to 7 into 10, 7, or else let's cancel in 5 table. 5 2s, 5 3s. So 7 into 2, 14 by 3 plus 3 equal to, now here if we take LCM we get 3. 14 as it is, 1 should become 3 means into 3 into 3. So 3 into 3, 9. So 14 plus 9, 23 by 3. We got these two same. That means LHS equal to RHS. So answer we got is correct. Question 9. 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Now to solve this equation, for that first we should get rid of the denominators. To remove the denominators we should take LCM of them. So here the denominators present are 3 and 3. So the LCM we should take of 3 and 3. 3 ones 3, 3 ones 3. So the LCM is 3. Now with this LCM we should multiply each term. What I mean is into 3, into 3, into 3, into 3. Now 2y into 3, 2 into 3, 6y as it is, plus 3 cancel out, we get 5 equal to, here 3 cancel out, we are left with 26 minus y into 3, 3y. So here we don't have any more denominators left. Now here we have y, here also y. all the y terms should be on one side. For that, we should remove minus 3y from here. To remove minus 3y, you add 3y on both sides. Now, 6y plus 3y is 9y plus 5 equal to 26. Minus 3y plus 3y cancel out. Now we should remove plus 5. To remove plus 5, you subtract 5 on both sides. So plus 5 minus 5 cancel out, you get 9y equal to 26 minus 5, 21. Now to get y, we should remove 9. So to remove 9, we should divide by 9. So this cancel out here y and here 3 7s, 3 3s. So y equal to 7 by 3 is our answer. Now to check LHS is 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to, in place of y, now you write 7 by 3. So 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3, that is equal to 2 into 7 is 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Now, denominators are same, so add the numerators. 14 plus 5, 19 by 3. Now RHS. RHS is 26 by 3 minus y equal to, now in place of y, we should write 7 by 3. So 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Denominators are same, so subtract the numerators. 26 minus 7, 19 by 3. We got these two same, that is LHS equal to RHS. So the answer we got is correct. Next, 10th one. 3m equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Now, in this equation, first we should remove the denominator. Here the denominator is 5. To remove this denominator, you multiply by 5 to each term. Multiplying with 5 is your step 1. Next, 3 into 5, 15m equal to 5 into 5, 25 m minus 5 cancel out, we get 8. Now we have m term present here and also on this side. So we should bring all the m terms on one side. For that, we should remove plus 25m from this side. So to remove plus 25m, you subtract 25m on both sides. So 15m minus 25m will result in minus 10m equal to plus 25m minus 25m cancel out, you are left with minus 8. Now to get m, we should remove minus 10. So to remove minus 10, you divide by minus 10. So here it cancel out, you are left with m. And on this side cancel negative, then 2 table, 2 4s, 2 5s. So we got m equal to 4 by 5 is our answer. Now to check, take LHS is 3m, that is 3, in place of m we write this 4 by 5 that is 3 into 4, 12 by 5. Now RHS. RHS is 5m minus 8 by 5 equal to 5 into, in place of m we write this 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5, that is equal to, here if we cancel 5 we get 4 minus 8 by 5. Now we should take LCM. LCM is 5. So here we should multiply by 5. So 4 into 5, 20, minus here no need to multiply 8 as it is. So we get 12 by 5. We got these two same, that is LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS, that confirms our answer is correct.